Jepak. Jesus Subuzu can call check I call Celia Comalo.
Because Jepak, I am learning. I'm a student here.
Okay.
I'm a student here. I am the one learning. So Abaranzi. It doesn't change or Igabuta Moana, Igabuta Chiga, eh? You bring
Chimiabo, Alun since you watch him beach. Chimbo no more. Iga what I see now. In my Jepak of Fake Obi for on a cheery. Chigi and Alun since Sibiowa. Over down on Alun, even Alun Sia wants to be what it were 4 quarters, 4 cardinal cities there. All the families in India, my village is about. Oh no, if I and like it, I'll go in no tune, Jen or do no tune. No, but you can who can not go out.
I didn't done. Wait.
Chigo priest, Chigo father. If I and I go in no tune. Okay. Family put from that 4 quarters of that shrine.
Okay, Abraze, you just answered one. I have not landed, my brother. Okay. Okay. Now, do you agree with me, with Matthias says that according to our preaching, Nandio Chamer. Do you agree?
Of course.
Okay, then wait. Oh, don't worry, don't worry. We will come there. Hold on. So now, that Arusia Hina give Italy Bute now. On Abia State, on Anambra State.
Odu that is in Indio. All diet Donan Dio. Ndi Nanam Hasi, Alo Chukunataba. Natase, Basilose Kumeku, Jesia Donya from Alo Chukudonati, or the Nandio. We are shrine Ujikolo. All living Madone Kumebonian Dio, on Iban Nagwag, Alusia Nagwag. And we will that is family in Kun. Family on the path for the dear. Moana Wagina, Obun and Cholo, Imedipia, Moy Savo, in our London model, which Apom do Kudibia Mana, and Webem time here. All Nancy in our London model now. But I know about more is in my daughter. Okay. I go do Bem, and I don't hear you. A Catali Obunimo man and Yamakesi Adabu. Okay. I born cancel the elder and down Edokuya. Had all of your your compound.
Okay. Okay, don't be offended, eh? Obruna Ichibulata Rosia now, eh? Akwige Ige go.
Ige go boy just ya golugi head.
Okay. Ije we go those things. Ije we go those things. Akwige go away go right?
Yes.
Then Ibur those things lawa Ige bully abu moto, right?
Oh, the ego. Moto ki ejubu, yes.
Onye produce through that motor.
Onye produce motor. Onye produce motor obuzi onye. Onwe di nilu motor.
No, it's a simple question. No, we are not quarreling. I'm just asking you. I'm trying to arrive at.
Motor na anya bu Avalon loli under Toyota company. Motor na Avalon loli under Toyota company. Ama mo e ba Avalon. Mana mo gom no ya bo onye ocha. Mana na genti. All moto, only tell moto, yeah, science and technology. Governor Ezioku
yes, my brother.
If I can produce anything, anybody can buy me in all the money. Yeah, yes. Prayer principle of our spirituality. Ni produce, no touch kita present here as mass production. People will buy. Yeah, science and technology. And the Maloka man science and technology, and they are capable of producing something. The only thing is that we are living to represent Europe. Our government is working to represent Europe in whatever we are doing. Because I develop.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Funding with brain. And when challenge funding with brain that wants to manufacture something. Invention na people like anybody baseball invention gonna be. But because of the kind of country I know. Most of us have a government market now, forget what they came to do. 90% of your market it's just that they're incapacitated, they have to survive.
Yes, sir. Sir, senior man, anyway, can animal like something short, bit by bit. Anyway, him to jogi so that I don't forget.
Okay.
You know, I don't have all things in my head too long.
All right. Go on.
So, Abaranze, science and technology was able to produce vehicle from Onyocha. Then our own science and technology was not able to cook palm wine, preserve oil for 20 days without it, maybe, right? Is our own science actually why?
Every year in our science and technology, me discover that palm wine. Me discover that palm wine. Chelo Cambia, me discover a new lay all science and technology.
Why must it be used?
Abubo for an amborobia. So imagine only easy discover and or an to combine the and order is science and technology. Ndi Igbo had it going for them before Ndocha used slavery and tuicated it. You are not getting it.
Okay.
To tuicate our movement. Hana join India. Ndocha na India through
okay.
Ndi Morocco block war. How we discover India through South Africa. Van der Gama we pass here through River Niger. Mongo Park when they claim no discover River Niger 200 years ago. Man, River Niger on it at the I think 680 years on it. Then
I have said that before. I have said that before.
When in an daughter glory now, in an glory now.
No.
I want to brains of your fellow black people. Take you will develop a lot of system in use today. You want idea that
who sold them?
Idea that people were more medical doctor in America than in Nigeria.
Who sold
them
the white? Who sold those people to the whites?
Ndocha there for business. Back and business called.
Why?
Why?
Go out of Facebook and come back. I'm trying to add you.
Negative. Ndiocha bata convince here. All slavery will merchant highest business then.
The people's government balance.
Ezugo, because this one last question now, because can join Abaranze biko. Mba biko, Abaranze senior man le biko Abaranze that kaya na-enye those arụsị akpa company produce ya with machine called koya, right?
Ana alụ kai dị na galon ndị oko na alụ kai ya bụ nke eji sukwu anyị na ndị ọcha lụ anyị na-alụ kai kịta eji na kai kpalị mmadụ ego na eziokwu ana alụ kai sapele water dị ebe niile pure of kai bụ raw one ana alụ ya agba nke bottle bụ onye package le seaman bụ our brother na bụ ndị hero ndị hero na akọkụ ego ana akọkụ kai ba anyị ga ọkwa nke ya jiba sirapọ ọchị kai dey buy.
No, we are trying, but I'm trying to tell you, ihe na cause anyị poverty now. Like many of us now cause here. Those kai na wuru ndị a now, many of them are imports, like Lord.
China na alụkwa kai na agbụkwa na agbụkwa dị esembu na kai. China na alụkwa kai na agbụkwa dị esembu na kai. So yeah, our argument, sequence argument.
Okay, Fanta na Coke akwa Coca-Cola rụrụ ya company ndị ọcha.
Ka ebe a nọ were akọpụrụ di Coca-Cola kwa na Nigeria.
Abaranze, you are using a very good phone, and this phone is expensive. I know that your phone is above 1 million naira. Your phone should be around 1.2, 1.3, or 1.7. That phone is a very awesome phone produced by a white man. Why haven't you used Omenala to produce a phone?
Na muna in this video kita on aga smooth add ya mother batos but without any here na because of Emma Agwari flip Emma Agwari from Onitsha. Oga na Nigeria na. Na muna in this thing kita on aga Igbo video call oga very fast. Negeti oburi yo chi governor
Yes sir. Go ahead sir.
Fastest software in the whole world now flip Emma. I say na go gije go for one oburo onu. Wait, Evangelist, wait. Kotan one droid from Congo case where we take Kotan. Man, I'm going to come down a little square meal. Came in and come down a little square meal. No chat the Belgium till the war na Congo. create enmity between two tribes. Hana Bawo, Hana Sudamona, when it does better. Ndori.
Balance
enmity for us. And they still our natural resources.
Inferiority complex here don't know Ndi Igbo n'ime. The advice to me, learn how to develop on yourself based on the existing technology. Wait.
Advice. After in the Makina, we when you're with developing, they are working to serve Europeans.
So
that is the problem.
So he admit to get back at our government program. Number one, my brother. Now, I balance it. Inferiority complex here to Ndi Igbo n'ime. Ishi you have to first of all accept that you don't know anything. That is the only way you can learn. But again, a project you look at Philip Emma was second in command. Second in command because of North Arabia go out a way for knowledge. Where to see if or sharp. The way may second in command when you discover. First of all, we will Ndi Igbo work or Kashamalo. If we go Philip Emma when I work on the Shannon, the recent battle, now I go back mother. I'm fine, you people can claim anything. Now can God eventually on a I'm going to know waja. Aju no Kerife our ancestors were able to discover. On our side house waja they were able to structure 5 food from cassava. Now go ambassador of Ofoha and Ofonubu. Now let me ask you a question before I continue. Can we learn a difference between nation and invention or even discovery or manufacturing?
Wait.
Monkey name water one note to hand a fish. Open your put a hen, Otieno to her. Open your put a hen, Otieno to her. Otiwa not one would refer to the if I want animal or blom mother. Animal, this thing do cost sana na mama. They will cut a note to general fire look if you want. If I on a store yet for Oge famine. For Gago. Oga not to I those cars. We just get a car or store last store. This is animal. Then in terms of Nande ancestors are you una aja ebe ha murumba. Kerife patalona ewu no. I mean enwele esi uno nwe esi ofia. Okuko na alahu n'enu. Na alahu n'ebe akwari. Okuko nwere ebe ọ na alahu different from ebe ewu na alahu. Ebe ewu na alahu different from ebe animals ndị ọzọ na alahu. These are animals and yet they were able to provide their various shelters for themselves. They were able to identify food ha na-eri. Mmanụ nke ya ha rie ebe ya nọkịta ewu aya ata akpụ ndụ. Maka ọba na ọta.
Jụọ question ga battery m na were ebe a. Jụọ question.
Ebe mmadụ ga-ajụ na-ege ntị ya gbasị na nkwuwa okwu olu ebe mmadụ ga-ajụ nga ajụjụ. Ọ bụla okwu ka ị na-ekwusi. Joy your question. Let Agbaranze is trying. Agbaranze is trying. Or did easy. Accept this from me.
Your problem. Your problem. Don't stress me.
Not easy to defend the APC. You will listen to me.
In a name like your ancestors. It's all why you hate Jesus. Tell me your ancestors. Tell me why you hate your ancestors. Anybody can develop and sell.
I will know for her with a high level of invention. In fact, we discovered for her, if any. No, if I do with your water, or we will know you. Keronye gwalo kerifa ya monkey no open you okuta o weluti wa ake
wee tiwa that knot wee taa ya na ebe ọ hụ na your ancestors discover ofe ọha melu wonders mmadụ emepụ kere onye kụziri ụmụ anụmanụ nri ahụ ha na-eri kere onye nyere ha nri ahụ ha na-eri zaa m nke a ka m wee gaa n'ihu.
Every creature ihe ọbụla ekele eke n'ụwa can sort for himself.
Okay.
Ma na-ege ntị.
Yes.
Necessity bute invention.
Yes.
Mgbe anyị nọ n'ime ọfịa anyị nwere opportunity of buying these clothes. Anyị na-atọ na akpụkpọ anụ. Enwe mmadụ zaa ogbu agụ, anaghị akpọ mmadụ ogbu agụ uru ogbu agụ ọgba anyị akpụkpọ arụ iri na arụ a na-afịa na ogbu agụ. Ogbu agụ abụrụ chọrọ. A na-akpọ mmadụ na igburu efi na nkịtị na-abụ igbu onye gba anyị akpụkpọ arụ were ya kwala akwa. So before we go chịta akwa, anyị nọ n'ime ọfịa mgbe anyị gba ọtọ na-ekreti ya iji eyichi ọtọ.
Okay.
Otu a ka ọ dị every race. Mana ịmago na ancestor pụọ, ancestor ndị ọfụ abata. Ndị ọfụ bata is their duty to look into the work of their ancestor and upgrade it. Gụnwa bụ bata nke gị ndị China bata upgrade their own ancestral movement. Gụnwa bata jebute ancestor ndị Rome. Forward be as Mbara. That's why you couldn't upgrade your ancestral way.
You are again.
Let me say something. On a poor since you have negative way, but he has to hear from me.
No. Ijo mada ajijo ichere ko osage once the person answered you.
Buy from ancestor probably for so. Let me say something now.
Ezugo. Ka ri de ka na abu okwu abu.
You see?
Onye kwucha confusion with Hajibe on them. Confusion.
First, Abaranze, I want to tell you thank you for being here. Thank you for being here. Thank you for airing your opinion. And just comment so that I would see it. Okay,
the people's governor. Ignorant.
Waja, I can't see you.
Ignorant.
Don't know what happened.
Ignorant. I
don't know what my hand touched.
Hate my ancestors. Or not sure you can hate my ancestors. Yes. Yes.
Because I there's a debate here from Hebutero morning about the lifestyle of Ndi Igbo na keep as well. So I will go issue of udele. That na gere ka gwa bụ onye isi ya egoro ndị ibob egwu ajọ say how do you see Nnamdi Kanu si na ifuru Nnamdi Kanu as savior nwe say so na etu na kota mpa gị like this mmadụ eburu egbe ka ọ bịa gbagbuo mpa gị and gị nwa nọ ibukwa egbe. Will you allow the person to kill your father? Or that his father will fight for himself? So, Kezi Oji Motaziagas one. Gini Koji Motaziagas one is not to defend him when Mboyan was old and strickling age. It's a human Namuta Wabu, Kamweke, man Namuta Waka, Kamad Noro, Kamwa, Ebu Nyawani, who went. Enjoy the thing or say here in Jajubi Hakatabu. No Doroganya ni jele, the very play card na Abuja. We question now with evidence against Nandeka. If Rose Benuka and gave Kobio. If I Arag, they forgot that we jelly about Arabidro. Over today, Arabidro. So you remember Ebo ya Adra, Ebo ya Matrat. Public can never wear for He for a very play card about them. Ebuka and Keri, Obuku the Tete, Nanket Nanaka, Nebuya and Abuja, not Nanaka be a criminal, that they have the evidence against him. Somebody could have that in Sundi Boimi. Ijele has never promoted one single Igbo person in his life. Who be here now promoted. Now the same person we are I'm coming. The same person we have spotted can give one as support to see jealousy. Somebody bu enemy of Ndi Igbo. Can go abuzi abalanze onye kokeke na support to say. When I do say I'm coming now.
Okay.
Oku na abia abia. Ke ko se buzi give one as support to say onye one na onye agata ama batawa na Igbo me live video for complete 1 hour. O me live video 1 hour. Or in fact, I got one ben there for a day because of again Ojo when I to because now has all conyo ahụ na achụbe ọsọ. So ora asemuna
Waja. Please comment again. Comment again. I've even followed you now. I don't know what happened. Comment again. I just followed you now so that I can.
He cannot fight who does not fight him. So you will now wait until the jele Eburu Omenala Igbo to fair fight here. Somebody that fights Igbo race, is it not you that is fighting? I cannot fight ever unless I'm an hour abagoifa. No nyamahe gua na ba na hour abagoifa. Abalance for you to become too close and the government body with Ijele and again when you come back struggle again when I mess with Ijele and say they have abagoifa. In all in the name of Omenala. And what you go just say Biafra na actually or Sondo Omenala ya body Biafra. Or Sondo Omenala ya body Biafra. Went to Biafra or so Sondo the Christian Chufusicha. No broken and care about a man and care walk. Because happen in a country and with many religion. And with many religion. Oh, you're going to title he practice in God practice. Man, the ways they or this can double Christians fool you open above here.
Jepak, hold on. This Ogodo issue. You are always this kind of person. You are just always on the comment section to insult people. Maturity states that you must be on the listening side. Then if you have something meaningful to contribute, you do that. You don't always insult people. And I think I've checked your profile before. Maybe you stay abroad or something. Is this the true character of those people who lives abroad? You will be the JB basically.
What happened to your block button? You don't need to be talking much. Your block button is there now. Make use of your block button. If you don't like what the person is, block.
Who report on your page and block you? Oh, you have a problem. This is bad.
The governor na Jepak kwelu ka mpia monde ha ma mbiara epia. Jepak genu ntị ka unu ghọta. Genu ntị ka unu ghọta. N'anya ọkwa ịma. The main thing kịta ndị Igbo niile champion obi ha na now is Omenala jigwosi ụka. Judgment ọ na ha na-enye onye Omenala ọ na-ewu onye ụka. That is the area ebe ha na-akwụsị ha ya akwụrụgodu first before we bido judge. In other words, they are ready to align with anybody. They are ready to align with anybody. Provided.
Waja, because they're going to see like this. Bend the see like this.
Yeah.
I can for them, tell them on the hammer.
I thought I'll get a lot of Portuguese.
I'll for them, so I just said, I got a bruise of Piaga. I just Waja, because I told him,
set up you go anybody particularly.
Your problem.
You didn't win. In civil argument, you will allow the other person to talk, then you talk. You would have
on the front of that thing, on the front of no talk.
for the way see you, the way see you, me defeat now.
Abịara ikwu okwu onye wepon unu na-eji ndị ọya ajụjụ ikwu okwu mmekwu okwu mapụ defeat ife ị na-ekwu ndị ọya ikwu okwu
ezugo na waja
abịa m ikwu okwu wee jụ ajụjụ ịjụkwa m ajụjụ ekwu okwu
ezugo na waja burie ya lee ya hia
onye ekwe ka ukwu okwu waja ya sị ụnụ ọbịa ka ịjụ ajụjụ ị na-ajụ
finish him
Ezugo Genti, sorry, I'm not disrespecting you, and I'm not talking bad about you. But when your problem, in case of another agwa come on, na live video. In with a spirit of anger, and then we walk, and he walk here, maybe I'm not running around table discussion. He take a person or the cana or the one I shape the also. I want you to learn. I will never do I talk. Because no one hormone, so the person cannot beat me. You only use your data to insult me. When you open narrow, if you get maybe I'll put history we would just like with their cane. And you job in a time, about 30 minutes or 2. If you had you only to the point. We have people watching us here, and this program is not a kid program of Umaze. All program no one never am at this very program. Program so open it to the judge. It to a one question each on
sorry, Abia make question and answer. I know me I came in to respond before you cannot tell me not to respond to him, but to ask him question. If I can't just put on the hammer too much, and I can follow him down at language and I got a 1 month the hammer up your was you. Let me go. I got if you it's them not maybe into question. Not you are
accusing you. You are owing a Congo Dibia.
Allow me to talk since you have over 10 minutes to 15-20 minutes.
Go ahead, my brother. Go ahead.
Don't worry, Galazia knew with Waja. Let me
No. Finish. Don't run. Waja is your friend. That's why you want to run. Because Waja is your friend. In time we are war.
Problem is we go on and we walk, that's all. One thing in life is this. Understand the open and audio Emmanuel and Adaba. If you go, my friend, and I understand you go me or somebody with hot temper. In 5 minutes now, you walk where that you go see a man. Like now I like you balance and a program for 3 hours. Or then I like attitude. Because on I to work here that here. So Gano need rule now. Oh, man, a bully boo, balance and a man. Before you go ever, but I go question me now to see how balance before. But you to realize I'm not saying that.
Me, I have one thing to ask you. Where is your Okite? Why is it that you don't have Okite? Where is your offer? Then why are you running about now? You need to go and inherit your own offer.
Oh
yeah, where is your shrine?
Governor Yoku, have promote
personal shrine to anybody.
Go ahead.
Waja, I'm tired. Waja, because I want to want a live video. Can I be looking from your denomination? Or are you a Christian or Omenala?
I'm a Christian by baptism and a traditionalist by birth.
Okay. I will not force you. Okay. Okay.
Question.
You go to a Christian by baptism.
By baptism, and the traditionalist by birth. Ganiru.
Okay. Are you still a Christian till date?
Does it mean that I don't understand English? I'm a Christian by baptism. Baptism still remains in my body. Okay. And a traditionalist by birth. Through birth, I'm Omenala. Through baptism, I'm a Christian.
Okay. Your family, are they still a Christian now?
My family is not here. Ask me a question. Don't bring my family here.
Okay.
My family is still a Christian by baptism, all of us, but don't mention my family. Ask me a question concerning myself. And the other things.
Two of you are one. So you are two of you are one. You and your family are one. So
we need to respect ourselves. Listen, this is Waja. My family is my family. All my family are Christian by birth, by baptism, and the traditionalist by birth. But remove family or anything. One question concerning Igbo culture, Igbo tradition, Christianity, or whatever. But remove my family, please.
You will not tell me what I will ask.
Okay, when you get it relevant, I will not answer. Go, move forward.
Okay. Now, Waja, na Christmas.
Sir, my boss.
Na Christmas. One na magna abandon cake Christ mba. Mana, you also spotted and donated huge amount of money. How we may roof in the Catholic Church, how we may roof in the Catholic Church, and also support the Reverend Father.
Okay. Let me correct you before answering the question. I don't know abandoning Christ, but I don't know body of Christ. I don't abandoning Christ. Even I condemn what with the name of Jesus Christ in Igbo.
Okay.
Then the money donated to my town I brought for roofing of church is for my town project, please. So get the information right.
Church.
I brought for church. Only the information, the wrong information. The money was donated for the community to build a project in our town.
You told me vividly that the Catholic Church in your village you contributed no less than 50%.
Then now, even the 24 years. I am 40-something years today. So 20 years ago, I was a blind Christian then. So something of 20 years. I am 40-something years today. If I in a book that I get the 20-something years, I get the 24 years. So
okay,
I make 24 years. Give them on Facebook today.
The 24 years as a December and Kagaraga.
December for project in our town, not in the church. It's for town project.
Now, you are what I'm post the video. No, you put a controversy.
Yeah, one question important. I want to governor. I want to get back at the serious. When I tell this serious story, two questions important concerning Igbo culture, Igbo tradition, and Christianity. You know, do personal question. I don't know question now.
Okay, kai go na nke ụka pụọ. Kedu ihe o ji bụrụ na onye na-agba Igbo mgba ka na sport ọ bụzi na know your best friend?
Ka onye ibe na-agba Igbo mgba.
Ijele na na-ezo agba.
Ijele.
Udele.
If I don't love talking about someone particular person. I'm not here for Ijele, even not here for discussion concerning Igbo culture, Igbo tradition, and the Christianity or our ancestors. The question is not Bible answer. Any evidence to prove Ijele na Abu Igbo, like Abalanze said, Ijele has his opinion to give. On Facebook where his or her opinion to give. So I'm gonna somebody in any opinion, yeah, people should stop capitalizing on that person. Particular thing on it. We should allow everybody to talk.
So every Christian by baptism and because no one will know. and currently now, you still carry your motor, money mass, on a daily basis, without telling them but Omenala.
I draw my wisdom back, please. I'm not here for
Waja,
my family.
Waja. Let me
Come in.
What?
There's a question to ask.
Okay. Outside, I know you are Igbo Omenala, right?
Yes, I'm a traditionalist.
In the morning, Igbo a Christian. Do you agree with me? Do you agree with me that even the two religions, Christianity and Omenala, do you agree with me?
Yeah,
I've got two religions. Omenala and religion.
Do you agree with me that you are practicing two things at the same time?
I'm not practicing two things. Listen, I'm coming. Omenala and religion. Christianity is a religion introduced to us by white people. Omenala is an inspiration inspired by God.
Okay. The white man introduced religion to you, right?
White man introduced Jesus to me, yes, through religion.
Okay. Do you agree with me that the same white man introduced the mass production of clothes? The white man produced it. Do you agree with me?
Yes.
Do you agree with me, Waja, that since you have been practicing Omenala, that you have not been able to sponsor 3 persons? Kahaga produce, Ugamota Geshe produce set in China.
I sponsor for this thing you put now, and I can give you evidence.
So why haven't they started producing food? Is it that their brains are not working?
Okay. Can see produce food? Other people like you can promote Jesus na Igbo.
Okay.
How would this?
Isn't it go people? And the same people, they are not able to produce food
I say, mama sponsor go people. Kabaje China or something. See, yes, I'm a sponsor go more than 3 people. And I can give you evidence 3 Sibaja na China, me or Lane or Mokane me one na China.
Can I ask a question?
Yes.
Go ahead.
We got many names in the Bible, like Peter, John, Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John, and so on and so forth. And then was in the Bible as I say, like half Matthew, or can I buy a Christian call, baby?
Matthew abro Christianity name, Matthew be Jewish name.
And then the KB go to the Matthew on a Bible.
Bible abro Christianity book.
It got to hear a drug I just KB go to the Alpha for the first one.
Bible na. Oh, Nime Bible.
KB go to like Mark, or can a Bible go to like Mark.
Yes.
Now, and give was as your own Omenala, you were using app Mark when a argument Omenala. Yeah, Mark.
I want to use app. I want to invent Johnny.
Oh, when you head into them, I need to use to promote Okite. Where Mark?
How many times? Gambia. I don't like it. I saw number 1 person put on a Facebook. When I went Ndi Igbo, Ndi Igbo adra agwu Okite abro Omenala Igbo. Or the full reaction na class ni run them man.
Balance just left the live program.
When they could balance Waja. First me ask him even now to balance the let me put you people in order. Without balance, I must here now.
Out of the same moment.
Over the same thing, listen. He got an Anglican now, always his own brain to give here. He got a Catholic, always his own brain to give. He got a Pentecostal, always his own brain to give. In all, you all are Christians and coming. Tradition, man and Igbo. And we live on a body nana, we live on a body bende, we live on a poor menana, we live on a pontilu marande. You may ask someone question. The person will give you answer with Injirimarande or Omenala or the Bende or the Nana. So rapid the answer. Abalance give you. Do one more question? I will give you the answer direct.
Why are you using app meant for Moyibo? Why
you use app or you go people when I program or when I move over and for that. Or you go the app on your and use it when I meet.
Like
yes, the program more well than me for or even your charge wire.
Then on your channel, I believe on your own culture or his own app. Give up with your app on your chat. when they promote your own destiny. Can't you do your own?
I will believe in my culture before we use we follow. They are using things, mineral resources found in our land, in their own country. This has nothing to do with culture tradition.
Why na please bread?
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Arobinagu had inspiration for invention. Arobinagu had any inspiration for invention. Arabaka had any inspiration and coming. Arabaka had any inspiration for invention. The inspiration of invention be from Chukwu Okike Abiama. Chukwu Okike Abiama after Kokesi Ndi Igbo and coming. He inspired the knowledge of producing things or inventing things in Igbos. Our ancestors were the power of inventing things because even in our ancestors who they use, inventing all of them. But the problem we are having with you people is this. Our ancestors I upgrade those things if I want inventing. Acknowledge this is the problem we are having with you people.
About now I'm not trying to no, I'm Igbo and I still believe in Omenala Igbo. But that's on well. Agwu wee mara ndị Igbo.
Ndị Igbo adịrị agwọ ọgwụ.
Abaranze, you're welcome back here.
Anyị adịrị agwọ ọgwụ, anyị nwe ọgwụ.
But Abaranze na-agwa na ndị Igbo nwere oke ọgwụ na ndị omenala Igbo.
Ise.
Abaranze onye otu si na ndị Igbo nwere oke ọgwụ and ndị part of omenala Igbo.
Abaranze was trying to be logical to you. Could you explain it? But I'm going to clearly na ndị Igbo nwe ọgwụ. Anyị nwere oke ọgwụ. Achọrọ m ịza anya plain. Oke ọgwụ ebe anyị na-eje. Achọrọ m ịdị logical. Anyị nwere oke ọgwụ mana Igbo nwere ọgwụ. And the Igbo adịrị agwọ ọgwụ. Sir?
Waja. Don't be offended, eh? So Chukwu Okike Abiama bụ onye kere Igbo wee nye ha amamihe. You just mentioned Chukwu Okike.
Yes.
That is one God, one side. Who is Arobinago and who is Chukwu Okike Abiama? Who is Agwu?
Arobinago is an altar in Igbo Land. Arobinago is an altar instituted by Chukwu Okike Abiama, not by human beings.
Who told you that Chukwu Okike Abiama? Who told you that Chukwu Okike Abiama? Who told you that Chukwu Okike Abiama instructed? Who told you that Chukwu Okike Abiama instructed that such altar should be kept? Where is the written manual?
Okay, it's not instituted. No,
okay.
Yes. Wait. If I forgot. Institute and shrine ebe guru near Madanando for worship. Or
that's what food is shake. I don't if you get back with your question.
It's my voice and those ROC instituted by Chukwu Okike.
That's what food is shake. I want to know from me or from you.
My network is okay here. Please,
one by one.
Please. Can go ahead before we carry on. Dear fans and viewers, let me tell you this. Instead of you to insult anybody who joined this program, it better you insult me personally. I may endure you. But if you insult anybody, be you a Christian, be you Omenala, if you insult anybody on this platform, I'll block you because you are not paying no salary. It's a privilege having these people here. And it's an opportunity for you to hear from both sides. So
that is the level
don't insult people here, please.
Instituted those shrine as altar. Yeah. Are you not hearing me?
Onwe na-eme mkpọtụ, onwe na-eme mkpọtụ tupu onwe onye bata na-eme mkpọtụ, onwe na-eme mkpọtụ na crack.
Oh, no noise. Yeah. Yes.
My voice.
Yes.
If you wepụ agbalanze wepụta area bag ka ọ dị clear. Iwepụ ya wepụta area bag. Ọ na crack ya crack. Na crack ya.
I am everybody clear.
We cannot hear you.
All network, call the front.
All network, wepụ ya ka iwepụta area bag. Agbalanze gbanyụọ phone Igbo ikwu ya. Or imu ya this thing so that na mmana ife ba na-ekwu. Je bag gbaga n'iru.
Okay, I said him you could say that na Chukwu Okiabia instituted shrine as an altar. When I say Chukwu Okiabia mekwara instruct to see where mmadụ dị ndụ nie na wee kwube arụsị.
Ọ bụrụ ife Chukwu Okiabia agbapụ and ọ bụrụ ife ndị Igbo na practice.
Ihe ha sị na ọ bụrụ ihe ndị Igbo na practice.
Chukwu Okiabia agbapụ arobi na agụ na Igbo. An inspiration from God because all shrine ka ọ bụ. All shrine dey aka.
Nyawa hibekwara. Gọvanọ okwu na agbalanze ka ọ batara back ka ọ dị clear. Ọ na-eme mkpọtụ network ya na crack adama na ikwu na atụ. Iwepụ ya ọ refresh ya phone ya ọ batakwa ọ dị clear. Ngwa jụọ anụ question ma ọ batasi ọzọ ya dị clear. Chukwu Okiabia mere institute gwara ndị na-efe arọbụ n'agụ si wuo ana na ihe mmadụ na ndụ before arụsị ahụ eguzoro. Ị mara asị gị na ọ bụrụ Chukwu Okiabia ma and na ọ bụrụ ife ndị Igbo na practice. Do another question. Ị ga-asị na ọ bụrụ ife ndị Igbo na practice because na ama many shrine.
Chelo Cambia. You go a lot of questions. Can try one based on this one. Wait. So many pastors na Igbo a na-enwude bụ mmadụ wee mee foundation ma ọnụ ụkafa. Or even the Christianity na practice.
That is not Christianity. Then learn it from Ndi Omenala.
My brother, let us be frank to ourselves. Let us be serious. Listen, it's about the question. It's not even the Christianity na practice. I told them go to argument. I told you something intelligent here. I hear a lot of people here. Let us not joke. Listen, it's a good question. It's in a pastor soon a wounded mother, Beluva private part, Beluva everything narrow, we pull Ozuba, we jam foundation mono, Kava, we name hippo, Ejideba, no even though can I practice. I have given you the same answer based on the question made Jomo. Nde ade muda neje gua mother, Sinaba Diamalose, or what's on Igbo, or Buribu culture, or Buribu tradition.
I'm waiting for your comment again. Abaranze, just comment again, I'll add you back.
Waja enwere nchọga ịghọta ebe ọ bụ na ibido okwu bụ eziokwu achọrọ m ka ibiri because na ịchọrọ ifende ebe ibilo
na network unu dị chabada adama na ifu na-ekwu
but I can hear you.
I can hear you.
I can never shy away from question. I'm asking question. Joan question unu anọ m ya now, no talking.
Ajụrụ m gị sị gị biko achọrọ m ka ijiri because na ebe believe on ifu eziokwu ya ibe okenye and is okenye rugoro 44 years abrozo ụmụazụ.
I can go for 3 years. I'm not a kid. Okay, I did 224 years.
You said how many years?
224 years.
Last year they got 231. They go to 224.
Last year I did 223. Let's celebrate in birthday this year. So let me go 224. Oh, why be trying to do a question? It shouldn't be personal attack.
Waja, you're a businessman. Waja, wait. Waja, you're a businessman, right?
Yeah, I'm a businessman.
The product you sell, what are the kinds of products you sell? Because I want to patronize you here.
Okay, I'm a perfume. I'm a lencha.
Kebe produce 80% of it. Do you have any company where they produce them here?
Okay. 80% of product nlele ana m ebute from Aba, ana m ebute from Onitsha, ana m ebute from Dubai, ana m ebute from London, ana m ebute from US.
Can you bring out 3 products there now where you are now and show us the countries where they are made now? Show us anyone that is made in Aba, including what you are wearing right now.
Okay, what I'm wearing is singlet. I'm wearing a Aba, man, and you have run a back alone. But I'm perfume then at my house. From Aba.
This singlet you now, singlet you. Why a mero ya na Aba?
I'm wearing a Aba now, man, and you have run a back alone.
Waja. Present 3 things on camera here made in Aba, just around you there, now.
I want to be back now. I'm not present here alone Aba because I'm not in Nigeria.
Do you agree with me that you are? Do you agree with me if I call you a hypocrite? It really suits you because you are
you want any point to call me a hypocrite.
Why
you want a single point.
are you importing things from China?
Mention only product na Aba na Nigeria na alone Aba and Igbo man they produce. You mention only 10. You are asking me around my house in Ghana. But I mentioned Aba, you buy top that one. One product na Aba na eleka from 150,000, 100. And they have a privilege, a challenge to bring them. I do about my house or singlet, but I'm calling Aba. So let's focus on Aba. I'm on with good things in Aba.
Made in Rupoko. Made in Port Harcourt, Nigeria.
Made in Aba, made in Aba,
made in Aba. Aba Menenka.
Yes. Perfume can I buy a marathon perfume.
Wait now, around you now, practice makes perfect.
No,
Maybe
around me, this is in there. I'm using it. I can even go inside my house now and look for one and get. But okay, Chede.
You don't need to go from where you are now. Just don't call anybody to go starting.
No, I want my son to get me the perfume so that I see that I'm using it also. Go to your mother.
Do you drink palm wine?
Get Nesu or Iratu for me.
Do you drink palm wine?
Yes, I'm on by wine.
Very, very.
It's okay. I've well. I brought very well. It just we can alcohol and go put them.
What other drinks do you take? I know. What other alcohol do you drink?
Even now, you local Ghana. Local.
What stops you? What?
Local drink in Ghana, local.
Okay, why is it that akwema na ebuta original pami ndị Igbo anyị ebe eburo ya Ghana akwema na ọ ga-abụ ezigbo ego?
Ndị Ghana na-ete mmanya, abụrụ so ndị Igbo na-ete nkwụ, vanwa na-ete mmanya.
Okay, waja, as far as I know, you have the capacity, you with the money to sponsor palm wine and you go US. Now, what stops you from coupling it? What stops you from using Omenala?
Okay, the problem is this.
What stops Arobinago?
No. Kambia, madam, I'm messy very no. No, it's okay. Madam, I'm messy very no. Even they send it to US, in the mother level, a product in Nigeria, our ancestors now do those soup. So I try my possible best to put it in the market in US, which one I gather very well there, and I'm sending to US also. So man, everything. Let other people follow other things.
All right. See, waja. I have a question to ask you now, and I did like you to answer me correctly.
Okay.
When we finish, maybe we'll anchor this program next time again. But just after these few questions, then I will allow you for about 3 minutes to ask me some things. Okay. Do you know that Ndi Igbo, when their own written handwriting, their own alphabet, their own way of writing called in CBD?
Yes, Mama and Ndi Igbo were their own handwriting before Ndi Ochabia.
Now, how come our uncles agreed to scrape away their own in CBD and adapted alphabet?
Okay, the thing was an imposition because Ndi Igbo, our brother Joe, na farm their alphabet. Man, okay, Ndi Ochakon Kafa in the year 1885. The khaki is in my table. Don't come and disturb me. Okay, ndị ọcha conquer during colonization in the year 1885. First surrender to everything ndị ọcha na-agwafa till getting to 1914 amalgamation. It's not the fault of our ancestors. It's the fault of the white Ibia conquer farmer. You understand?
Okay. I agree with you. Waja. Do you agree with me? Do you agree with me that outside in CBD, Ndi Igbo another way they write outside in CBD? Because in CBD they were one day Ibibio. Are you aware?
Okay, I must be sincere to myself here. So also that in CBB we can go market. So other than any other one, then you can teach me. I will learn that one also. I know about any other one, but I know in CBB because I know no Kenya.
The in CBD, Obo they call the Igbo man where Obunde Ibibio where. Have you done your research on that?
No. I maybe any research.
Okay, go and do more research in the way. You know, he gave some of these rivers people on them Bambriant in the south. They tell you that no, even you could be a France, no one way. And I argued this thing one day to some extent that I now saw the truth. Now, this your Omenala. Since NCBD, we had a way we write to, but NCBD was the head, or the Kultur English, you know, ahead of every other language in Nigeria. You understand? Otaka and CBDG dominate here. Now the question I have for you is the manual, because I'm the wisest people of old, not this guy take elevate go up and down. I know you have Nzu, you have Odo. I know you have these things. Okay. Now the question, the truth here now, the question I have for you is why is it that the manual, because I know too well today that right now. Any English medicine, definitely you will read it. Obviously, I think you read before taking any medicine or even wine, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, where is the manual, the original written manual of this tradition, this Omenala? I want to study the manual. I want to read it. I want to go deep into it and make research so that my sister will not wake up tomorrow morning. This Omenala, like Waja, you know me too well, From far, if you look at it, does Governor Ezoku look innocent, spiritual and physical?
Yes, I'm Attire someone who works both spiritual and physical. Yes, I've seen that in you.
Okay. You think
and
ordinarily?
I know, I'm coming. I know that you're a traditionalist. You are not a Christian.
I'm not a Christian. I am not your Onyo Omenala. I am a son to something.
No. I would say that you are not an Omenala person. You are not Omenala. Because Omenala even go do one. I want to say Omenala. I'm coming. Can you go to your name? Can you think about your pack? I go down Ezugo. Game for Zeno, as long Cataputania Buka, Una Jugomelot, can do to say one obo. Get it, Ndi Igbo, your complete name. Gave away Swafai, can you go to whatever your surname?
Afambo Prince Madabuchenyi.
Huh?
Afambo Prince Madabuchenyi. Let me see if I can find any of my ID card here.
Right, I don't want to see video. Network here bad. So your surname, but possess also your surname. Can you go for?
No, Afambo Prince Madabuchi Enyi Naya. Enyi Naya is my surname. I don't know if I can see it. There is no ID card here. I would have shown you. I don't hide my name.
Okay. Governor, so what am I see video? And the program, I may program next time in West Network. Your network are just good.
Like what day? Which day?
Sunday, tomorrow, Friday.
Okay, coming Sunday. Okay, please, Abarenze.
Yes,
There was a time you wrote me. No problem. No.
Let us start educating ourselves to the level on your man.
Yes.
Network yeah, go even in the crack. So
Okay. Agbaranze,
by this time.
yes, Agbaranze, waja. I would like to have the both of you here on Sunday. Please, for about 30 minutes, I will only stand on the side of, you will ask me any question, then I will answer you. Then the next
Yes,
30
So
minutes, yes, the next 30
question
minutes, I will be the one to put up my questions. I hope it's fine.
Yeah, okay. Ka ime otu
So,
an Sunday ka ọ wụle program. Ọ wụle program,
yes.
ọ wụrụ ịbịa ka ogologo aka ma ịkọ ogologo
No.
story. Onye
No.
bịa pakeji onwe ya, ajụwa ekweshọn eza, onye ya na-azara ekweshọn ewepụ ya tie onye dị capable. Ọ bụrụ ya bịa
Yes.
n'olukwuo okwu kwukwuru ogologo okwu oge ezugo, onye ekwugide okwu 3 hours. Anyị needed that type of something. When you come,
So,
you talk, you answer question, you allow other people to talk and answer their own question.
yes.
Onye ka ihe ejumụta eziokwu mana ọ ka m bịa kọwa ibe mmadụ. I can sit here and talk more than 4 hours. I will not allow anybody to talk. And people can never learn from it.
Yes.
But people can only learn when you ask question and answer question. Although some people will not agree on that. But so what we want to do is to structure the truth out. Not to defend Omenala or defending Christianity. No. Let us know the truth. If everybody reason that this generation of Igbos, na things our ancestors invented. Now, I continue or upgrade here because that is where we're having problem. But again, what they are doing singlet and before white man came, Ndi Igbo alụbaga akwa. Before Ndi Ọcha Ndi Igbo alụbaga akwa. Anyị nwe every damn thing anyị na-use na Igbo. Ịma na ezu gopụta here, nye examples also na nsị na ọfọra. Chezo ma ogbunigwe, ngwalịa. Chezo ma fridge. Chezo ma ngiga. Chezo ma every damn thing our ancestors ụlọ. Even akupe, even atụ, our ancestors atabaga atụ Ndị Ọcha wee bịa. Our ancestors enwego fan. Our ancestors enwego fridge. A lot of things in n'ala Igbo. Ọgwụ anyị ji alụ ọrụ. Mwa. If I eti egwu, everything I eti egwu, I go instrument for music before Ndị Ọcha bịa na buy. Ọkụ adịgo na Igbo before Ndị Ọcha bịa. Ndị Igbo akwụwago isi, anyị akwụwago isi, anyị akwụwago isi Ndị Ọcha wee bịa na buy.
Okay, waja. I am going to drop one of my number here because a lot of people would want to be part of the program on Sunday.
Okay.
So that anybody who wants to be part of the program on Sunday, can easily reach. Yes, they can easily reach out to us. And after this particular program, the next one we are going to anchor the upper Sunday. After this coming Sunday, the upper one Gabo Subaku Igbo because myself, as to see, boy, any dream more.
Even crack, it's better now. And they say I have a phone because I don't know if the network is from me or from you.
Okay. No problem. Let us meet on Sunday. Yeah, let us meet on Sunday.
I wait extra hammer. When you're not prepared, you don't have to allow
No problem.
Get back. I like it. Okay, so thank you very much, my brother.
Thank you. All right. I want to say thank you to everybody for joining us on this very program today, this Sunday. My advice to the Igbo man is do everything to defend yourself, your own. Do everything that you may defend your brothers. Have your opinion, but be very careful while saying them so that you don't go against the rule of law. Okay? Sometimes I know the internet and new phones gingers people to say what they can't even defend, but be very, very careful. So I want to say a word of appreciation to each and every one of you here who has participated in this program. I say a very big thank you for being here. It's not easy. Somebody just came up and said fools. Prince Dube. No, I don't operate on TikTok, Chris. You just came up and you said fools. You see? You see? Some people, by the time you disgrace yourself, I laugh. This person who just came up and typed fools, I would want you to appear on camera as a wise man you are. I want you to come on camera, Prince Dube, this idiot, this fantastic idiot. I would want you to appear on camera and debate with me. I want you to appear on camera where I will be asking you your name. If you be a man, Obona your father Moroge, appear on camera. Appear on camera. That day. Appear on camera. If they burn you well, appear on camera. Join live program like this with me. Show your face. Somebody will sit on the backyard and be talking nonsense. Appear on camera. Appear. Don't type fool. Come on camera. Come and get out from this page. Come and get out from me. Hey, people never sense. People never. What did we say here now? They're wrong. You just came up here. You call somebody a fool. It doesn't show you are intelligent. It doesn't show it at all. It doesn't even show that you know what you're doing. You are the moment you just rise and tag somebody a fool without no offense. It's bad. Ogodo. Goodbye from this page. Chineke babu okwa go nyara. Come on, get off. Hey, the mother moral sense. Kabine, ni me does be in Europe. Civil arguments. You can, if you think you know what you're doing or you have something to even teach me, you join on camera and say them. We'll listen to you. You could make sense. I don't know how people reason at all. The thing in the classroom, when we are small, you sit quiet. You sit quiet. When they now say, do you have any question to ask, you raise your hand up. That's the best way. Thank you, everyone. Governor Zoko loves you. Wisdom is a river that flows, and it waits for everyone that really wishes to swim in it. Okoye Ibe, Okeke. This one said I should go and look for work. Thank you. I'm looking for work, but I'm better than you. I'll add you, boss, CEO, official. Yes, I'll add you next week. I'm looking for work, but I'm better than you. From the city to the village, to anywhere in this life. Even if for my challenge, any day for me, this governor is very simple. No fat body, nothing. They are the lawyer. Thank you, everyone. God bless you. I wouldn't want to take much of your time here because I'm also going out now. May God bless you. Okay? See, that someone did not agree with you in your tradition does not call for an insult. It's a lie. Me, I practice spiritism, so, and see, 65% of it takes you to nature. And nature has something to do. Nature has something to do with almost just natural things are part of the tradition. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying now. So this is the way it is. I'm not against your tradition, but so many abnormalities are there, which you should know. That's very simple. Thank you, everyone. Governor Zoko loves you. Goodbye. See you next week Sunday.